Hello friends, today we are discussing about numerical of missing data. We'll see the numerical first, what we have to calculate. So it is the numerical of missing data. The following is an incomplete page of your level book, which X indicates the missing entries. Calculate all the missing entries and complete the page of level book. Also give the usual arithmetic check. We will see the problem first. As we can see over here, wherever X is marked, we have to find out that values. And the method used is rise and fall method. So in rise and fall method, as we know, RL is equal to previous RL plus minus rise or fall. So very first, we have to calculate fall, this X. How will you calculate? So we know BS minus IS or first minus second reading. If the answer is positive, it is rise. If answer is negative, then it is fall. So BS minus IS, the answer is negative, it will lie under fall. In next slide, as we can see, BS minus IS, answer is negative, so it is equal to 0.89. Now, next, we have to calculate the RL of next point. How we calculate RL of next point? RL of previous point plus fall will give us RL of next point. So RL of first point minus fall, the answer is 99.02. Next missing data, we have to calculate the rise. How we calculate rise? Previous point minus next point. If the answer is positive, it is rise. So 3.540 minus 3.20, answer is 0.34. So it is rise. And to calculate next RL, over here, the formula is previous RL plus rise will give us answer of next RL, which is equal to 100.22. So we have calculated next RL also. After knowing this next RL, now the next step is to calculate next rise. The formula to calculate rise is what? Previous reading minus next reading. If the answer is positive, it is in rise. And to calculate next RL also, previous RL plus or minus fall or rise will get next RL. So even over here we can see we have to subtract C from D to get the new rise. After knowing this new rise, we can calculate the RL of next point. After this, next missing reading is Fs. Now, to find out Fs, we have Is and rise. What is the actual formula? Is minus Fs is equal to rise or fall. The answer is rise, so I am writing over here rise. Now you can see Is is 2.305 minus x, as Fs is x, and rise is 1.08. So x will be equal to answer is equal to 1.26. So we can calculate the Fs by using simple formula. Is minus Fs is equal to rise, and just we have to shuffle the values to get the answer of x, which is 1.26. Now we have to calculate next RL. So next RL is what? Previous RL plus minus rise or fall. We get 101.3. Now step next, we have to calculate fall. How you calculate fall? It's very simple. As there is a change point 1, we have to start from BS again. So BS minus IS will give us next rise or fall. So BS minus IS is give us answer in negative. It means there is a fall, which is 0.49. After knowing this fall, we can calculate next RL, which is previous RL minus fall. We get next RL. Now we have calculated next RL also. Now the last step, we have to calculate fall and last RL. To calculate fall, again IS minus FS will give us fall, and to calculate last RL, previous RL minus fall will give us last RL. And solution, as we can see, IS minus Fs will give us fall, and last RL will be equal to previous RL minus fall will give us last RL. So after calculating all the missing data, now we have to provide a check whether our calculations are right or wrong. So as we know, there are three checks: summation of BS minus FS, summation of rise minus fall, and last RL minus first RL. So summation of BS 4.51 minus summation of FS 4.72, the answer is minus 0.21. Next, summation of rise minus summation of fall, the answer is minus 0.21. And last RL minus first RL, the answer is 0.21 minus. So as we got all the three checks equal, we can say our calculations are okay. So we are calculating missing data by using rise and fall method. Thank you.